Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable the Fluent Scrollbar in your Google Chrome. If you don't know, then the Fluent Scrollbar is a feature in Google Chrome that modernizes the scroll bars to match the Windows 11 Fluent design language. Now, if you want to enable it, all you need to do is simply first open your Google Chrome. Then one thing to note is that it is not accessible to edit the scroll bar from your normal settings. You need to enable it from the Chrome flags. So if you don't know how to access the Chrome flags, then simply go to the search bar and type Chrome followed by this particular address. Once you type this exact address, simply click the enter button. Now you will be landed on this particular experiments page. You need to click on the search bar and type Fluent Scrollbars. And here you can see that this is the Fluent Scrollbars. Now to enable it, you can simply click on this button and choose the enabled option. Once you do, it will ask you for a confirmation and it will ask you to relaunch the browser. Simply click on the relaunch button. And here you can notice that the scroll bar has now changed and is now more aesthetically appealing. If you don't like this new design and want to revert it back to the old design, then simply click on this enabled button again inside the smooth scrolling option and choose it to default or disabled. Then Chrome will ask you to relaunch it and you can simply choose to relaunch. And even if that will not solve your problem, then you can click on this button again and choose the disabled button. Then it will ask you to relaunch again and you can relaunch and you can see that your old scroll bar is back. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.